Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today we're going to be making my sweet potato casserole. Now I will mention, I made this last Thanksgiving and it was a huge hit, so I hope the same happens at yours. But for this recipe, all we're going to need is a glass baking dish. Now I'm using a square glass baking dish. You can always double this recipe and use one of the larger rectangle baking dishes. We're also going to need the oven is preheated. We're also going to need 5 perfectly cooked sweet potatoes. Now I've done this in the Instant Pot. I have the recipe that I'll include below, but basically I'm cooking them at a pressure cook setting for 30 minutes so they get nice and tender and sweet. We're also going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a half a cup of maple syrup. Now, if that seems like too much, you can always decrease that and add in some more once it's done if it needs to be sweeter, but I find a half a cup for this recipe is perfect. We're also going to use a 1/4 of a cup of chopped pecans. So we're going to put most of them inside and then a few we might sprinkle on top. And then I'm also going to use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to give it a great seasonal flavor. I'm going to bring you guys in here and we're going to get started on this recipe. All right, to get started on this, we're just going to go ahead and mash up our sweet potatoes. All right, now that our sweet potatoes have been mashed up, we're just going to go in and add all of the rest of our ingredients except for the pecans. So here is some maple syrup. Got our vanilla extract, and then our cinnamon. All right, and then we're just going to go in and give this a nice mix and make sure it has been nice and evenly blended throughout. All right, now that that has been nicely blended, we're going to go ahead and add in our pecan pieces. Now you can always add some on the top. I find that sometimes they burn a little quicker or they get brown a little quicker, so I like to just mix them in with the whole lot of it. And as it cooks, awesome. That's been nicely mixed. Now we're just going to go ahead and flatten it all out. Make sure that there's no high sides or low sides, that it's nice and evenly spread out. All right, that looks good to me. We're going to take this to the oven that has been preheated to 370 degrees. We're going to get that in there for 25 to 30 minutes, checking at 25 minutes, and we'll see you when we're done. Timer just went off. I got to say, the kitchen smells absolutely fantastic. Let's open this up. Oh, it looks perfect. I'm going to take this over to the countertop, let it cool off for a few minutes, get the kitchen cleaned up, and I will see you guys in just a second. All right, guys, I am back. The kitchen smells absolutely fantastic. Most of you know sweet potatoes are one of my all-time favorite foods, and this is a great example of a way to prepare them that really anybody will like them. Vegetarian, vegan, non-vegan. This will be great to serve everybody at your upcoming holiday event. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. I got a piece of this dished out for me here. The top is a little bit crispy. It holds itself together. You can pull it out in these squares, or just amazing. Absolutely fantastic. I got a little piece of pecan in there. It's mind-blowing. Most people think you can't make this without 3 sticks of butter and heavy cream and pounds of sugar. Very simple recipe, completely whole food, plant-based, vegan, and delicious. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you go ahead and give it a try, please let me know how it goes in the comment section below. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're on Facebook, make sure you hit the like button on this video. And if you haven't already, I would really appreciate a like to my page, Plant-Based Gabriel. And as well, this full written recipe, past, present, and future recipes can be found at my website, plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, thanking you so very much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon.